Ready to bring your vision to life. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create a beautiful, professional website using Canva. No coding skills required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist, or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So to get started, all you have to do is click over sign up. Once you do that, you will find other page which you have to write your email address and your password. Then you get started, and this is my account. So to create a website on Canva, start by signing in to your Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Or browse through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style, purpose, and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So first of all you have to do is click over here and search about website, for example, and then you will find this page. Here we have how you can edit this one. So let's search first of all about website. So for example, we have various things and you choose the websites that you want. I will choose once. So I choose this one, for example, digital consulting. So right now I will modify all these things. We have here file, resize, editing, then we have new products. You can add other things here, and we have preview. Also, if I want to delete this one, I will delete it. Then I will add my own also. If I want to delete this one, I will delete it. And this is it, how it works. So here we have edit text. Open the text tab to add text to your design or use the keyboard shortcut. Next. So I will click over next again. We have background remover. And then you click over share. As you can see, share and download the share to social media, order, professional, prints, and more. Got it. So here we have design, as you can see. Then we have elements here. We search about flat frame, arrow, button, line, and other things. Then we have a text. You can add a text box, for example here add a text box. Also magic write, add your brand fonts, and also if you want, also we have here add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. Also we have your font combinations. Sorry, we have here 5 tips and other things, as you can see. Choose the one you want. Also we have here magic write. You can add it also, as you can see. You can just try it out and then you start with it. Then we have here print also. Then if you want to upload also as something like images or videos, and then we have draw here. And once you do that, you will find here file resize, also editing. If you want to edit, make changes, comment and also add feedback if you viewing read only. Then if you want to come back like that, so as you can see I delete this one but it came back. So as you can see, then we have here new product, and also here we have price, and also people with access. Here we have insights, and here we have current page, preview, publish websites, and other things. For example, here we have, if you wanna make it do a zoom, as you can see. Also here we have thumbnail view, grid view. Also you can add here comments if you want, animate. We have rise here, pan, fade, pop, wipe, breathe also, and we have transition here, position also. We have here arrange layers. You can just select all. As you can see, we have here the first one. I copy the same thing here and just duplicate it. So let's come back. I'll click over here. If I want to hide the page also. So this is how it works with Canva. You can just get started. And also we have other things here like current page, have something to say, start editing in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. So Canva offers numerous benefits, including an intuitive drag and drop interface that makes design accessible to everyone, even without technical skills. It provides a vast library of templates, images, and design elements, allowing for quick customization. Collaboration features enable teams to work together seamlessly, and the ability to create a variety of content from social media graphics to presentations makes it a versatile tool. Additionally, Canva's cloud-based platform allows for easy access and sharing from anywhere, streamlining the design process. So Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.